Aunt Bessie, our newest calf, is now 10 days old. She's been with her mama for 24/7. Let's clear out all the unnecessary stuff right here, Jonah.
Like what? Oh, that is good. Now's our chance to put hay down in the Bessie's and Nellie's stall now.
Okay, you grab the hay. I'm gonna start cleaning up the area here. Now it's time to separate the calf at night so that mama can build up even more milk overnight for us. The calf's old enough for that now. You got the hay?
Sure do.
Okay, is that from the ground?
Oh, this flake was bad.
Was that by the fence? Was that by the feed box?
No.
Okay, yes, they don't like that. Bring it. Get down any holy squats before you put it down.
Squats.
Any big, obvious holy squats. Yeah, there's one. One. There's some. Come on. This has got poop on it. I'll go clean that off. Oh wow, it's heavy.
Don't you see that? Papa, why'd you put that there? The hay's just gonna get in it.
Oh, okay. I'll move it.
How did Nellie get her sleep? With Goofball Bear?
They probably both lay down
They do.
at some point.
But how come sometimes in the night I hear Bear knocking up the water?
Well, he won't anymore. We're not bringing Bear in tonight. This is going to be much easier to maintain now that big old Bear's not in here. Get our wheelbarrow out of the way. You take it on the way, and I'm going to get the water in here. I'm going to put that down low so the calves can reach it, okay?
I don't think Bessie's not eating or drinking yet. You?
I saw her eating a little bit of hay this morning. We're almost ready.
I hope Nellie doesn't eat them all.
We've been getting a gallon, even with the calf on her 24/7. So it's going to be interesting to see just how much we get. We are almost ready for this. Let's put this lane up. Is this on? Oh. The problem is, Aunt Flossie, that's the calf's mama, that's Aunt Bessie's mama, don't have the smoothest track record.
Here she comes, Justin.
Look, give me the feed, give me the feed. Come on, down. Okay, Flossie, come on. She's a, no. Hey. Come on, Miss Thing, come on. Come on, oh, almost. Okay. Plus, I'm not even sure I'm gonna even be able to herd Aunt Flossie away. That's the mama. Can I bring the little calf in and then herd Aunt Flossie back out? So far, I haven't been able to separate them. You going on ahead of me? We haven't been getting Flossie up at night. We've been getting up her in the morning. I think we'll get her there. I think that's gonna go okay. I think separating the calves, Bear's used to going in, getting him out, and then shooing Flossie out, I'm thinking it's gonna be the hard part. What a sight, what a beautiful sight. A little herd. I'll come this way. Oh, we can leave Bear too. We don't have to herd Bear. This is working out nice. I'm sure he'll come though. Jonah, you grab Phyllis. I'll get Flossie. Bear's trying to catch up. He's in the routine. I think we can pull Bear out easy enough for today.
Whew.
So let's just let him go in. Hey, 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 hey. We gotta keep this little calf in.
I've got Bear back.
Don't worry about Bear. Here,
No Bear.
don't worry about Bear. Hey, let's get... Now don't grab these fences with your hands. Hey, she's not wanting to go in, Jonah. Okay. Here, use your beaks because it's hitting the fence. You don't want to get shocked. Bear is stopped. That's one less problem. There goes Flossie. So far, so good. Here, hold this camera for a second, Jonah. Just try to herd the calf, not Flossie.
We want to catch that calf.
Don't scare her through the fence, though. Don't scare her through the fence. All right. We can get the calf. Calf's kicking. You're just like your mama, aren't you? I'm going through. I'm surrounded by big cows. Okay, I got her in. Okay, now the tricky part.
Let me get out of this fence.
Getting Flossie out. Hey, 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 hey. She doesn't see her calf. She don't want to back up. Hey, 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 hey.
Help you.
Here, oh, hold on, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, interesting.
You can milk her.
Hey, hey. I don't want her to pick on Phyllis. This is what I was afraid of. Jonah, Jonah.
Yeah.
Hold on, we gotta get Phyllis out of here.
I do like that.
You can do that if you want,
I want Phyllis.
and then we'll get Phyllis out. No, don't make her, she's not gonna pass her. I'm afraid to go behind and get between these guys again. Okay. All right, we'll get Phyllis out now. Okay, let's get Phyllis out of here so she's not in danger. Go on, old lady. Go on. There you go. All right, let's catch her. Okay. Now, let's see if that'll get her in the habit of going. She's looking for her calf. Come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Shut this. If we can just get Flossie not to bust through that and to go back out, that would be amazing. I'm not able to hurt her at all.
Maybe we should just leave her here.
Can we leave these gates open?
Yeah.
Grandma and Big Daddy aren't coming through? I think that's what we'll do. Let's just leave her right there. This morning I saw her walk back on her own. Ooh, let's go get hay. Take some hay out. We can do the other afternoon chores and see if she'll go in. You poor thing, you a good mom. All right, come on. Get me out of here, Jonah. Is that how you getting out? Us old men, we gotta go through the
You couldn't
gate.
fit through there?
I guess I could, but I might have got my crotch zapped right there. Here, let me go tighten that up. I think she's gonna, hold on, she might be going. She might be going. I'm letting her go. I don't think she likes me being between her and her calf.
And your own
You think I can hurt her now? Maybe I can hurt her now. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, look. Come on, come on.
door.
So close, come on. You're 3 feet away, come on. Come on, go out there. Go on. Go out there. Come on. Come on.
You do not want to be caught between those horns.
No, I don't.
You want to get out of them. Because they curve in.
You're a good mama. She'll come back. You see her in the morning, okay?
Fence, Papa.
Hang on. Grab that fence. We did it, Jonah. Come on, bring that here. Bring that here.
I gotta close that. Don't you think so?
Yeah, sure. Boom! We did it, Jonah. Put your hands up. All right, now She'll only be separated till tomorrow. 9 a.m. we'll milk her. We'll see. She's been given a gallon. I bet a gallon and a half. What do you bet?
2 gallons?
2 gallons. Okay, we'll see.